Puro ba ano? Kada mo?
Nakakabat trip.
Oo.
This is the provincial road of Samar. As you can see, most of the roads here are one way. Almost every year, the Department of Public Works and Highways fix a road. But the problem is, the road that they have fixed gets easily broken. So they have to fix it again and again. It's like a cycle. Uy, kita aluhuluhugod bagat sungkaan. So despite the fact that Samar is blessed with so many beautiful and amazing places, only few people visit this island because of the poor condition of the road.
Puro ba ano? Kada mo?
Nakakabat trip.
Oo. Anong tumaupay nanto, di ba?
Aray maliit ikaw pa yun.
Daling na nagkawawapay.
Aray maliit ikaw pa yun sa
I hope and pray that the next time I come here, the road will be so much better than today.
Pinabak daw, pinakamakuri ko nung kalsada.
Santa Rita, pinabak daw.
Oo.
Please don't forget to subscribe in my channel, okay? Thanks!